Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a fabulous day. This is a tutorial in the 12-beat rhythm por Guajira with I have my abanico with me. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I did teach a tutorial based on this marcaje step, but not with the fan. So now I'm incorporating the fan. If you want to take a little bit of time to look at that video, the link is below and you can study the feet and the arms and then come back to this video to incorporate the fan if I move a little too fast, okay? You can always stop and rewind also. It's lovely to have technology these days. Okay, let's get started. So real quickly, that marcaje step is, I'm doing golpes here, but you can do plantas, whatever you want. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now I'm going to add the fan. So it's pretty simple. I don't know anything in flamenco as being simple. But as far as just a lot of arm movement, there really isn't a lot. I have my fan, that tip is connected to my arm. This is with the right hand. With the left hand, I'm going to do a floreada away from the body, and it's like the fan is sitting on my arm, okay? So I'm going to do the floreada. I'm just going to start that on 1. So I'm here. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I'm facing you, it looks like this. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's continue. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm only doing one floreada with my left arm, with my left hand. Pardon me. Left hand. But with my right, I'm doing 2 rotations in. So I'm here, I'm going floreada in once with my left, another rotation with my right, and then bringing the fan down to go to the left side. And that rotation is essentially the floreada going in toward the body. Whoop. Are you okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go to the right and then head on over to the left. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So as I'm here on 12, I have my left hand behind the fan. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's go ahead and do left, right, and practice with the fan. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you an amazing week ahead. If you enjoy what you're learning and even the demos, the video demos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.